Esa chica quiere selfie, selfie, ella quiere ver. Pa' que el jefe se dé cuenta que aquí perdió esa mujer. Lo que quiere es enloquecer, ser la mujer que él quería ver.
Hey everybody, I'm Palm Beach Spa, your local realtor and guide to the Palm Beaches, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you from my favorite small town by the sea, Delray Beach, and it is a not as hot, a little bit cooler September day, but it's still not quite fall or you know, the paradise weather that we look forward to. But pretty soon it is going to be winter, and that means more and more visitors will be coming here to Delray Beach. And of course, when you're visiting Delray Beach, you need a place to stay. So today, we're going to talk to you about some of the best hotels that you can find here in the city of Delray Beach, and we're getting started right now. All right, so our first stop is the Ray Hotel. The Ray, short for Delray, makes sense, right? And they just opened up here in September of 2021, and they're located down in Pineapple Grove, which is right here in Delray Beach. Part of the Curio Collection by Hilton Hotels, and they have around 143 rooms and suites. Really nice boutique hotel, and a really nice lobby bar. There's Rosewater, the rooftop pool bar, and so we're gonna go up there and take a look. You got Stingers, which is the coffee shop, really cool. They have like 4 different dining places, restaurants here, but we're going up to the rooftop right now. We're going to try and get some footage of the pool. Sometimes that's hard because there's people and don't want to be filmed, but we'll see. All right, so I came up to the top here with the rooftop bar. This is called Rosewater, really nice. You're on the top level of the hotel, and they have outdoor seating all around here, and then they also have a restaurant and a bar on the inside, and then of course they have the swimming pool. So this is a brand new hotel. Everyone was real excited about it. Again, it's right down here in Pineapple Grove, so you've got all the great dining close by. You're minutes away from Atlantic Avenue, and probably a short bike ride, or you can do the freebie and end up at the beach. So great place. And right now, when I looked online, the rates were like somewhere in the 2s, but again, most of you are probably going to be coming here during the season, in the wintertime, when everybody wants to be here. I'm sure the rates are going to double, but I would definitely recommend. It's a really neat place to stay, and from the looks of it, and from what I've heard from everybody, it's a really nice hotel. So anyway, this is the Ray Hotel in Delray Beach, but we've got a couple more to go, so let's get back on the bike and go look at the next hotel. One last thing, they actually have a service where you can ride in that cool little island car, and they'll take you to the beach. It's part of a package. I think he said it was like an extra $30, but they'll set you up at the beach, and you know, the cabana and everything. So yeah, so definitely check out the Ray Hotel. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, for our second hotel, we've reached the Hyatt Place right here on the corner of Northeast 1st Street and Northeast 2nd Avenue, and you're actually even closer to Atlantic Avenue and all the dining and restaurants. So now this is, you know, Hyatt Place Hotel is not going to be as maybe boutique and stylish as some of the other hotels, but it's also not going to cost you as much money to stay. So it's a nice place. It's got a great location, very nice little hotel, and you're right here in the heart of everything that's going on in Delray Beach. So I would definitely consider that. as well as right next door, you have one of the coolest wine bars you'll find in all of Delray Beach. I also know the owner. She's pretty cool and a fellow realtor, and that is called the Wine House Social. And although it's closed right now, matter of fact, I believe she's in Italy, and she has a place there. But this cool little place right here has all kinds of wine. They do have beer for people like me, and it's just a really neat place that you can go check out. And sometimes they have little art events going on there, or you can rent it out for private events as well. But it's right here. Come downstairs, grab yourself a glass of wine. So the Hyatt Place has their swimming pool up on the second floor, and although there's no restaurant up here, I'm sure you can get food and drinks delivered to you up here. And it's actually a little bit closer to Atlantic Avenue, so all the restaurants and all the entertainment are just down the street from you. Those two hotels were over in the Pineapple Grove district, which is like in the middle downtown of Delray Beach, close to a lot of great dining and shopping and everything. But now we're going to head a little bit east, and I'm going to show you two more really neat hotels you can stay at. One of them maybe half a block off the ocean, and the other one right up on the ocean. All right, and for our third hotel, it's the Seagate Hotel Spa, and unfortunately I can't go inside and film. You know, they have their reasons why, and I got to respect that, but it is a beautiful hotel and a really nice spa. I remember buying one of my bosses a maternity spa treatment here, and we've had lunch here in the past at the Atlantic Grill, so it's a really nice place, and it is the original boutique hotel for Delray Beach. But what's really cool about it is they also have this old historic home that is a private beach club. So right up on the beach up here in the Atlantic Ocean. So is one of the guests here. You have access to that. So it is a really unique place to stay, and a lot of people really enjoy staying here. All right, so the Seagate is a really beautiful hotel and spa, so I would recommend staying here if you're coming to Delray Beach. I would have loved to show you the inside, but you know, hotels can be a little picky about who they let market their properties, and I kind of understand that. But if you do stay here, be sure to tell them Paul Meets Paul is the reason you are. And then maybe next time. All right, we're going to our final hotel right up on the beach. So let's go. So I'm at the Opal Hotel. Final hotel to visit here in Delray Beach. It's the Opal Grand Oceanfront Resort and Spa. So the Opal Grand is where the Delray Beach Marriott used to be for many years, and but since changed hands, and they've been doing a lot of remodeling to this hotel, a lot of renovations going on and new features being added to it. So it's a beautiful hotel, right up here on the beachfront, right here on A1A at the end of Atlantic Avenue in Delray Beach. Now, all the hotels that we've looked at today are absolutely beautiful and have lots of nice amenities, but if you're coming to Delray and you want that beachfront, that ocean view, this is the hotel you want to stay at. I mean, it is right here on the ocean. I'm right across from the sand dunes, and you're just steps away. Plus, they have a nice pool right here and all the other amenities that you would expect from an upscale hotel. But the fact that it's literally steps away to the Atlantic Ocean in Delray Beach, that's really what makes it for this hotel. Not to mention, all these hotels offer some kind of service that will take you to and from the restaurant or the beach. Some of them, I think, have bicycles you can rent. There's also the freebie, which is a downtown service that will pick you up. But again, if you're staying in any of these 4 hotels, most of them are going to have some type of service that you can utilize to get you to and from where you want to go here in Delray Beach. But let's be honest, in the winter, the weather is absolutely perfect. There's no humidity. It's beautiful out. It's what I call my paradise season. And all you have to do is walk or take a bike because everything is relatively close to the hotel. By the way, I'll be sure to put links to all the hotels in the About section down below so you can check them out yourself. But remember, you got to tell them Palm Beaches Paul sent you. All right, so there you go. There's 4 hotels that you could stay at when you're coming to Delray Beach this winter. And of course, looking for some beautiful Florida properties with your favorite realtor, me. Delray Beach really is a fantastic city, and I'm sure you'd be really happy either just staying here on vacation or living here, which a lot of my clients have chosen to do. But appreciate you guys watching. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. If you like the video, I'm at 3,100 subscribers. My goal is to hit 5,000 by the end of this year, and I really need your help. So please share the video and tell everyone to go subscribe to Palm Beaches Paul. And as always, when you are in the Palm Beaches, get out and enjoy paradise. I'll talk to you next week. It is definitely not cool yet in South Florida. Whew. I could definitely use an iced coffee or an ice cold beer. Speaking of that, I'd like to personally thank Renee, one of my subscribers, who kindly bought me a beer. So I have a new way that you can support my channel, and it's called Buy Me a Coffee, or a beer in my case. And the link is down below in the About section. And all you have to do is click the link and go to it. And you can buy me a coffee or a beer, and it's just one way to help support me and this channel to keep making these videos for you. So anyone who does that, I will be sure to always mention you in one of my upcoming videos. But Renee, congrats on selling your house and moving to Florida. Hope to meet you one day.